In this video, we will talk about chapter 16 and we will talk about Asser Berlin negative liability and is freedom a real value. Liberty is a synonym for freedom. It is the positive enjoyment of various social and political or economic rights and privileges. It is not a value neutral concept. It is normative. It accompanied by positive ethical change. It attributes positive value. Asser Berlin gave two concepts of liabilities in 20th century. One is negative liability and the second is positive liability. Negative liability is a freedom from outside interference. For example, I am not a slave. It is a natural right and no interference is my will. Whereas positive liability is a freedom to act upon one's will. It is I am free. It talk about enlightenment and the ability to achieve goal. Negative liability, according to Thomas Hobbes, defines a free man as he that in those things which by his strength and will is able to do is not hindered to do what he has a will to. There is absence of coercion, that is deliberate interference of other agent. Berlin instead to distinguish between value of negative liability and condition that exercise liberty. Positive liability is a positive derives from the wish on the part of individual to be his own master, conscious of person to think, will act, an active being bear responsibility of his choice. Berlin liability can be summarized as a self-control and self-realization, paternalization, social self-control, and a state servitude. Self-control and self-realization talks about freedom of action consists in our ability to appraise the desire which we prompt us to act. Paradigm of freedom consists in our own going against what we most want and doing what we think best. Involve working on my own desire in line of conception of what is right to do or be for me. Paternalism talks about parents do best for the child, for example giving medicine or parentalization. Intervention sustain condition of autonomous choice. Social self-control is the citizen achieve liability through laws backed by coercive sanction. It means self-control by me plus paternalistic intervention that is right for me plus social self-control that is a guide for me. State servitude means that a state can control in service of our real interest and make us free. A freedom is to be free, autonomous, and not impelled by either external or internal force beyond rational control. Freedom is human. Freedom of thought and discussion is valuable because freedom is a condition of personal autonomy. Freedom of action, autonomy, moral freedom, or toleration define freedom as a real value. Freedom of action talks about to act freely. We are free when we are in control of what we do. Autonomy is the value of freedom and it is instrumental. It amounts to the value of whatever we want, which our freedom is instrumental, is enabling us to get. Moral freedom are the laws that keep us on the straight path of duty, do not infringe our liability. Others decide what we can do, or the moral liability is achieved by state coercion, be the product of political liability by democracy. Punishment on what democratic body see immoral. It is a pursuit of moral liability may land us to political change. Toleration is the deep difference in moral belief of folk cannot be settled with arguments but by toleration. Toleration requires one not to interfere in conduct which one believes to be morally wrong. Free state and free citizen. According to Rousseau, our freedom derives from our free will, our capacity to resist the desire which press us. together with our status as independent creature, neither subject to the demands of others nor dependent on them to get what we want. In society, three dimensions of freedom recovery are moral freedom, democratic freedom, and civil freedom. Democratic freedom allows its citizens to participate in making decisions that is law that govern their conduct. Democracy activities give us the chance to assert that we are the free of claimants of authority. Civil liability means that a citizen value and express liability through participation in democratic institution, which liability requires will, reluctant to interfere in the life of their fellows, whether by law or less formal mechanism. Citizens embody their various conceptions of the good life in constitutional and prescriptive laws. Government and citizen individually should be modest in respect of both their ambition and effectiveness. Concerning the livelihood of the interference, promoting the good of their helpless and fellow citizen.